guys, happy Monday. Thank you for joining me. I would like to first start out by saying thank you. I just want to thank each and every one of you who have stuck with me through this whole packing, moving extravaganza. Now, when I first mentioned that we were going to be moving and going through the packing process, some people said, I'll see you when you get to the new house. No hard feelings, I totally get it. But for all of you who have stuck with me through the whole entire process and have shown me such love and support and loyalty, I just want to thank you guys. I was going through the comments and your comments are so sweet. Well wishes, prayers, so excited for you. And it means a lot. Thank you. I know that packing videos are not very exciting. So just the fact that you stop by and let me know that you're here watching, here for me, you guys are the best. Truly, truly you are. So I was thinking today, what in the world am I going to record for them? And so over the weekend, what I did was I packed nearly the whole house. And I have to tell you, I faced my fears up in the storage room. If you are new to my channel, we've had some crazy weather. And when we get crazy weather, like heavy winds or rain or snow, we sometimes get a mouse up in our storage room attic. And that is exactly what happened several weeks ago. And I am terrified of mice. It's like a phobia with me. I am just scared to death of creepy crawler mice. So if you missed that video, I'll put an iCard up there. But let me just say, I faced my fears. My husband had several good laughs because I was so terrified to be in that storage space. I was like, hand me this, hand me that. And then I would like spray everything down and clean it, put it in the box. And I mean, my husband kept saying, do you want to take a break? I said, no, give me the next item. I'm like, nope, keep going. Let's keep it going because when it turns nighttime, I will not be in this room. I mean, that's how terrified I am of these little critters. But anyway, my storage room is pretty much empty. All the shelves are empty. Can you believe it? I literally got so much done this weekend. I'm so proud of myself. Just kept chugging away. I would start with a room and then I'd go to the next room. Then we did the storage room. And I can say that I am definitely such a good packer because my family kept saying, do you need some help? I'm like, no, I got this. Because I'm very particular about how I want things packed. And I've also found that by grouping like items, it makes unpacking so easy. So today I'm going to show you the huge mess in the house. And I'm going to kind of show you how I've kind of grouped things to make things super easy for when we get the truck this week. Once again, we have a process. We actually rent a truck and we take over to the house the day we close, kitchen, bathroom, closet, any items that can't fit flush in a box, which is quite a few, because I have such different size collections. Sometimes it's easier to just put that stuff on the truck and take it over to the house, drop it, come back, get another load, drop it. And then when the movers come, they take all the heavy furniture. So also too, that ensures that if I carry my own boxes onto the truck, they're technically not really going to get broken unless there's a big bump in the road and something happens. But like I said, I'm not concerned. I think I packed stuff pretty good. So let me take you down. Let me show you. Let me walk you around the downstairs. Maybe Wednesday we'll do the upstairs. And I've got some other things I'm thinking for Wednesday. And then like I said, Friday will be the home tour. So here's the kitchen. Everything is pretty much taken down. I do have my dishes, and in that cabinet there, I've got my seasonings, my glasses, and coffee mugs. And then right there, seasonings, and then that microwave will stay. So yeah, pretty much in here is almost all done. All the cabinets are emptied out except for the silverware drawer. I already packed that silverware drawer. So that's done. Okay, now moving over here. Wow, look at this mess. Check it out. So over here are all the boxes that I got completely shut. And this entails home decor, kitchen, and so forth. So this is all ready to go. And this will most likely go on the truck first. Now, when I was up in the storage room, we were starting to run out of boxes, and I thought, the heck with boxes, grab some Hefty bags. And when all else fails for a local move, grab Hefty bags. So, I mean, I have a whole bunch of razors in this bag. What's in here? Oh, wreaths. Just a whole bunch of stuff. I've got a whole bunch of wreaths in that bag, all stacked nice and neat. Probably that bag too. Now, over here, I want to explain something. That is the pantry that was full of stuff. And I have found that if I get these grocery bags, if you take your pantry stuff and just stash it in there, it's easy to grab and just go out the door. As opposed to putting them in big boxes, it is so much easier. So that's what I opted to do there. This is another collection of something that was sort of lightweight that I was able to throw in a Hefty bag, and you can just literally just grab and go. Okay, now over here is a completely different story. This stuff all right here will be the last to go on the truck. Why? Because you can't shut the boxes. So this is my big bulky stuff. Like this is a whole bunch of wall shelves that have gone in this box. Same thing with here. Cutting boards, a whole bunch of wood risers and charcuterie boards are in here. Lots of decor I just could stuff in this box, and wall decor. Those are all organized. Those will be carried out. Those are all the decorative, like wall embellishments that I love to use so much. They're right there. I remember this box is full of topiaries, tall ones, so these boxes worked perfect for that. Over here I've got a whole bunch of wall decor, wall shelves, more wall decor, and here this is just a basket with my coffee table books, wall sconces, everything's organized, wall shelves, decorative signs, and over here a whole bunch of mirrors and artwork. So let me scale back. So although this looks like a big mess, I know exactly what this stuff is and how it needs to be loaded on the truck. Mirrors and artwork are great to fit in between boxes. We've learned that so many times. So what I will probably do is run these out to the garage, lean them, and then as we pack the boxes that are completely enclosed, we may squeeze like a mirror in between this set of box, a mirror here, a mirror there, and then we take a strap and we strap it all in. So we've got a really great system for packing all this stuff. Now over here on the sectional, I've got to get a Hefty bag, and I'm going to bag all of these pillows, and I'll title them, family room. Over here, I've got all my blanket ladders. There's 4 blanket ladders. Over here, I've got some of my tall topiary plants and my glass vases that I just purchased. I will hand carry those out and put those in my car for safekeeping. But yeah, it's all organized and ready to go. All right, we were running out of space. Started having to take stuff to the master bedroom. I wanted to bring everything down on a main level, so when Wednesday comes, it's just a matter of taking it in and out, in and out. So, okay, so the master bedroom has got stuff all over the place. Over here, over there, and then over here, more collections. So what I have over here is my big basket collection. Got some in this basket. I've got some all right here. And then I've got a bunch of lanterns. And then I've got some lamps. And then over here I've got some more lamps, and I've got some new shoes and stuff from Amazon that are super cute. Maybe I'll share that on Wednesday. And then walking over here, I have got lamps, lanterns with lights in them. I totally cleaned all that stuff out. Then I have some glassware and floral arrangements right here. So I have to start packing up my closet. And one thing that I find annoying is sometimes how I have different colored hangers. And at my log home, we had all wood hangers, and that's normally what I would like to use. But you know what? I just got all black. So I'm going to replace some of the hangers that are different colors with the black. So when I get them into the new closet, it's all like, boom, black hangers. This cake stand I got on Amazon, it was kind of pricey. So I will hand carry that one out. But anyway, I got a ton of stuff done. So I am tickled pink. And like I said, if I have to, I'll just grab hefty bags, throw my baskets in there, and then haul them to the car or the truck. So anyway, this bag right here is full of lanterns. You can see them kind of sticking out right there. Weight ones. So anyway, friends, like I said, I got a lot accomplished. So I am super happy because now the rest of the week will just be sort of light and easy. Like I said, I've got to pack my clothes and maybe some of the bathroom items that are in the drawers and stuff, but that's so easy. Oh, here's another suggestion. If you're doing a local move, save your grocery bags like this because these come in so handy. You want to pack a bathroom, your bathroom cabinet super fast. You just open this up, throw it all in there, and put a sticky note on it, master bath or hall bath or whatever. It just makes things so much easier. So I will probably be using these to collect the remainder of the items. And by the way, you can get a lot of stuff in these. So, all right, my sweet friends, that will wrap up my video for today. It's just a little pop-up video to give you a quick little update of kind of what I've accomplished over the weekend. And yeah, I'll be back on Wednesday, probably to show you the upstairs and probably some Amazon finds. Maybe I'll do that. And then Friday, like I said, will be the home tour. So I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah! And thank you guys for everything.